Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm Nick, also known as Oh So Sick, and in today's video, it's gonna be something a little different from what we've been doing, and it'll actually give you and myself some better results and baselines of what this 11th generation Honda Civic Si has to offer. So if you've been following the channel, thank you guys a lot. We still have the 10th gens, both of them. We have the drag one and also the streetable one, which is used mostly for like road race events and just the weekend warriors daily driving. But ever since we picked up the 11th gen Si, we've been non-stop at it, just getting everything that we need to do before we start modding the car. So we already took delivery of it. We already compared it to a race against a stock 10th gen, which was a 2020. And then not that long ago, we took it to the dyno to get some real baselines to see how much horsepower it actually makes. So now that we have all that, well, there's only a few other baselines that we're missing. The road course at some of my favorite tracks in Southern California. And in today's video, well, we have this, my cell phone, and this little black box that's called a Dragy. So normally I like to go to the drag strip and get some baselines at the quarter mile, but I know a lot of you have been asking about like 0 to 60 times, 60 to 100, and there's just a lot more data that this can offer versus going to a quarter mile drag strip. So the quarter mile drag strip of course can do all of that too, but it won't give me 60 to 100 unless I go to like a roll course event. So I've been reading all the comments as much as I can, and I'm just trying to provide the information that you all are asking for. Obviously there's some of you guys asking for features and stuff, but I'll get to that when I can, if I can. But honestly, this is more geared towards what I'm going to be doing with the car, which is just having fun with it, daily driving and performance. And honestly, I can't wait to install the Honda on here. And if you saw that last vlog at the dyno, I actually ran into Honda and Doug himself, and I did make up my mind. I read some of your comments. I kind of already had my mind made up, but I just need to make sure I can get the time to take the car there. And yes, the car will be at PRI this year, so be sure to see that. But before it gets sent there, which the transporter is going to be here in like an hour and a half, I need to get this data so that I can have a video for you guys that shows all the other information you guys want to know. So I'm going to do several runs here, and let's just see what this thing's all about. This is my first time using a Dragy, so I still need to set it up, but let's go. Usually when I do tests, I like to kind of rule out any other extra variables. Obviously the car is 100% stock, but I am just going to check the tire pressure to make sure they're all even, but I'm not going to do any crazy stuff. No, it's just literally just to see what it comes out the box. But again, I am going to at least check the tire pressure to make sure it's good. I'm kind of thinking that the first couple runs from the dig will just be, I'll probably launch it in different ways and then see which ones kind of get better results. I did contemplate on just sharing the best results, but you know what? Everybody drives different, so I think if I just show launching in different ways, not only will I get consistent results kind of, but we'll also figure out where this car likes to get launched to be the fastest. So right now it was like at 39. I'll put it at 36. Oh, I lied. I'm past it. I'll put it at 35. Good thing I'm checking them because they were all uneven by a couple bands. Okay, so this is just going to be sport mode, regular takeoff. So this is sport mode still, VSA just off, and 2000 RPM launch. Okay, so this one's gonna be 3,000 RPM launch. All right, so this is a quarter mile, hopefully, 2,000 launch. I don't even know how to go back on that screen. How does that even happen? I don't know how to move it from this screen right here. This is why I don't like that. I wasn't even switching lanes. I was in the same lane. 2,500 launch. So this one will be, again, full launch, 3,000 RPM this time. Quarter mile.